Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Kristole Perkins. You may have heard of my business, Perkins Marketing, but if you haven't, make sure you check out my video where I had my first $6,500 week from online marketing. And before we jump into this video, I just want to add in there, if you're watching this video, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Please make sure you turn on those notifications, and please make sure you are thumbs upping these videos, because I need the support. So without further ado, jumping right into this video, as you can tell from the title, we are going to be going over some ways that you can make $1,000 for free. First way that you can make some money is to sell your stuff. I know it sounds crazy, but if you look around right now, the room that you're sitting in right now, whatever device you're watching this on, whatever room in your house you are on, I can guarantee you there is something in this room right now that you no longer use but has value to someone else. It may not be valuable to you, but it can be of value to someone else. I see people use things like Depop to sell their clothes. I see people use things like Facebook, Craigslist, all kinds of things, which also leads me to my next point. If you don't want to sell your stuff, guess what you can do? You can sell other people's stuff. So basically what you want to do is go ahead and go on Craigslist, and there is a for sale section and there is a free section. Yes, people, there's a free section on Craigslist where you can go and take people's free stuff. Like for instance, I just got rid of so much stuff in my garage because my 2-car garage was extremely cluttered and I needed to put some stuff in there and I needed to store some stuff in there, so I had to go ahead and declutter the entire thing. Well, I got rid of 2 headboards, 2 nightstands, 2 bed frames, 2 bed rails, I think like 5 big bags of clothes. I got rid of all kinds of stuff, and you know what I did to get rid of that stuff? All I did was sit it on the corner of my lawn. So basically where I put my trash every Thursday, I just sat my freaking stuff out there on the corner of the lawn. And literally day by day, as I'm sitting in my office, I'm watching people take those things. Like I watched a lady take both of my nightstands. I watched a lady take 2 lamps. The couple down the street has my headboard. I literally see it all the time. They have my headboard. So they could literally take my headboard, which was an amazing headboard. It was beautiful, it was gray, it had all this nice little diamond upholstery on it. Not real diamonds, but you know what I mean. Basically, they can take my nightstand and go sell that nightstand for probably a good 100, 150 bucks and go ahead and make $150 profit. So they could potentially sell my stuff. So when I tell you to sell other people's stuff, I mean find free things on Facebook Marketplace, for sale on Craigslist in the free market, and just find those things of value. And if you don't have a car or you don't have transportation, are you too good to take the bus now? I mean, aren't we trying to build ourselves up now? You know, walking is free, bikes, you know, you can ride your little sister's bike, ride your little brother's bike. There's just so many ways that you can make money. There are so many ways that you can eat, but you are hungry. That makes no sense to me. You have to have the drive. You have to be willing to do whatever it takes, whenever it takes to get money. There are so many things you can sell. Video games, jewelry, laptops, computers, anything. I've even sold my makeup a couple years ago. There was a makeup artist who reached out to me and saw that I had a bunch of makeup that I wasn't using, that I wanted to get rid of, and she literally reached out to me. She gave me a price and I just gave all of it to her. Like I didn't even care what it was. I just gave it all to her because I was trying to declutter. Like there's so many things that you can sell that people don't, like that you think people don't need, but really it's just you who doesn't need it, and someone else is literally looking for it on Craigslist right now. So go post that camera lens, go post that mic, go post that makeup that you're not using, go post that old wig on eBay. Like there's so many things you can sell. I have friends that sell old wigs, friends that sell old bundles, friends that sell old shoes, old clothes, old belts, so many things that you can get rid of. Okay, so most importantly, a way to make money for free from your phone is to refer people to this app called Dosh. So basically on Dosh, you are going to refer people, and once you download the app, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the app on my phone. So basically what you are going to do is at the bottom there is a little refer button and a little horn, and you're going to go to that and get your link. So you're going to promote on all your social media, on your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube, your Twitter, your Snapchat. Basically use the Dosh app to refer people to the app, and once people actually sign up and connect their card, then you get a $5 commission. And it changes all the time because sometimes it'll fluctuate between 5 and 15. I think the highest it's ever been is 15 or 20, and that's when it was going like crazy and you see like everyone using it. it, but just because no one's using it anymore, no one's talking about it anymore, does not mean that it is not still a fully functioning app. It does still pay you commission for referring people. There's people who've made over tens of thousands of dollars, $30,000 just using this app. I've made a couple thousand, not anywhere near what these people on Instagram are saying, like 27,000 and 33,000. And I've seen some crazy screenshots of people who have this massive following who literally just put swipe up to download the app in the link in their bio or the link in their story, and all their followers go swipe up and all their followers go and download this app and connect their card, and they get tens of thousands of dollars. So it's pretty cool. It's a really neat way to get free money, and then it's a neat way for this app to go ahead and get free downloads. So it's a win for you, it's a win for the app. The app gets more downloads, they get a higher review, and there's in the App Store, you know, they get to stay in the Apple Store, they get to stay in the Android Store, so that's a good thing for them. And then of course you get paid, so we're all winning. So Dosh, D-O-S-H, make sure you download the app, and of course my link will be in the description because I obviously want $5 per view on this video. If you're gonna go download it and get your $5, I want my $5, and here we are. Another way you can make a quick buck is to sell your services. I tell every single person I come in contact with to sell your services. What are you good at? Charge for it. Whether you're good at doing makeup, good at doing hair, whether you can cut grass, whether you're good at detailing cars, whether you're good at fixing cars, whether you're good at fixing laptops, fixing iPhones and then reselling iPhones. There are so many ways that you can get out there and get your name out there and start making money. You can always start by promoting yourself on your social media. Always start where you're trusted, your family, your friends, people who want to support you, of course. So you want to go ahead and start promoting yourself to them. Let them know, hey, I've got website deals, I've got logo deals, I've got drop shipping deals where I'm teaching you how to, you know, drop ship online, like all these different deals, all these different courses and things that I'm teaching. If you're a chef, I've got new snacks that I want you guys to try. I'm giving out these $3 bundles where you can try 3 different snacks from my site, and instead of making it the full size, make little ones, and then start selling these little treat bags that have all your different snacks in them that are cheaper than your actual, you know, what you're actually selling, your actual product, so that you don't actually cut yourself short. Make sure it's a small portion, and then they can come back and buy the bigger portion once they are sold by your delicious treats. So always sell your services, people. You always have a trade, you always have some kind of skill that you can sell, that you can be out here promoting, because listen, I've done it. I do it every single day. I'm doing it right now while I'm talking to you. I'm mentoring you right now in this video. I'm literally selling my services to you. There are people who are watching this video who are going to sign up for my $20 subscription. There are people who are going to sign up for my $9.97 course. There are so many people that are watching this video that are going to end up being my mentees, and I cannot wait to start working with you. Just get out there. Get out there. Put yourself out there. Promote yourself. Promote yourself so much that people get tired of hearing you promote yourself, and then keep promoting yourself, because that is the only way that you're going to make any money. If you want it bad enough, you will let yourself have it, and you will take some of these suggestions that I've given you today and you will put them to use. So that brings this video to an end. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. I want to take a second and just let you guys know that I really appreciate you so much. We're coming up on 1,000 subscribers, and I know that might not seem like a lot to you, but building a business channel and a marketing channel where you're strictly professional and you're always talking about business, and you know, you're always just by the book and you do things the right way, it's really hard to build a following that way. And knowing that I have almost 1,000 people on my channel who actually care about marketing and actually want to see what I post about marketing, want to see the new things that I'm getting into, it really means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much, the few of you that do support me and do make sure to watch all my videos and thumbs up my videos and subscribe and make sure that you turn on those notifications. I really want to thank you guys so much. Please comment more. I love seeing you guys comment. I love interacting with you guys and answering you guys questions, and whatever you ask me in the comments, I will surely make a video about that. So make sure you're always commenting, make sure you're always letting me know what I missed or something that you also wanted to know, and just thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.